Squamous epithelium protects the body from that mechanical injury, drying and inversion of germs. Inversion of germs means the germs not enter into the body. பாடியை என்ட்ரு பண்ண விடாமல் தடுக்கிறதுக்கு இந்த ஸ்குவாமஸ் எபித்தீலியம் யூஸ் ஆகுது. ஓகேம்மா. நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன் we see that cuboidal epithelium. So that cuboidal epithelium is made up of single layer of cubical cells. Single layer of cubical cells. So the nuclei is round. It lies in the center of the cells. Okay, it lies in the center of the cells. Then this cuboidal epithelium tissue is present in that thyroid vesicle and salivary gland and sweat gland and also exocrine pancreas. So this tissue is present in this thyroid and salivary gland secrete saliva, that sweat gland secrete sweat, and pancreasனா கணையன்னு சொல்லுவோம்ல, it acts as exocrine and endocrine. Then only it is called a dual gland. Pancreas is called a dual gland. It acts as a exocrine and endocrine. Okay. Then it is found in that, this tissue found in that intestine, tubular part of nephron, intestine and tubular part of the nephron. So nephron means it is present in the kidney. Yes, it acts as a microvilli. Microvilli means, microvilli is present in the intestine. So it absorbs that nutrients from the intestine, from that digested food in the intestineல இருக்கக்கூடிய அந்த digested foodல உள்ள அந்த nutrients absorb பண்ணுறதுக்கு யூஸ் ஆகிறது தான் மைக்ரோவில்லி. Already you have to study it in that lower classes. Okay, so this act in this tissue act as microvilli. Okay, so this tissue act as microvilli because increase the absorption area, absorptive surface area. Okay, amma. So the microvilli increase the absorptive surface area. Surface ஏரியாவை இன்க்ரீஸ் பண்ணுறதுக்கு இந்த டிஷ்யூ என்ன செய்யுது, யூஸ் ஆகுது. ஓகேம்மா. the function is secretion and absorption. The function of cuboidal epithelium is secretion and absorption. Next we see that columnar epithelium. Columnar epithelium. Okay, ma. Columnar epithelium, it is made up of single layer of slender and elongated and pillar-like cells. Okay, slender, elongated and pillar-like cells. You know that. Just you see this. This nuclei is located at the base. Okay, ma. So columnar epithelium, the nuclei is located at the base. Then it is found lining the stomach. Where it located now? Lining in the stomach and also gallbladder, then bile duct, small intestine, colon, oviducts. Okay, and also forms the mucous membrane. And also gallbladder, பித்தப்பைன்னு சொல்கிறது. Then colon, intestine, yes, colon is large intestine. Okay, then oviducts, ovum is released to the ducts, carry that ducts, that is called a oviducts, and also form the mucous membrane. So இதெல்லாம் என்ன செய்யும் இருக்கும். They are mainly involved in that secretion and absorption. So the function of that columnar epithelium is absorption and secretion. Okay, absorption and secretion. Then next we see that ciliated epithelium. Ciliated epithelium. So certain columnar cells bear numerous delicate hair-like outgrowth. The columnar epithelium, some certain particular columnar epithelium bears this numerous delicate hair-like outgrowth. Okay, this hair-like outgrowth is present. So that is called cilia. That is called what, ma? Cilia. Okay, so this cilia are called ciliated epithelium. Okay, you know that what is ciliated epithelium? So certain or particular columnar cells bears numerous hair-like outgrowth is called cilia. It is known as ciliated epithelium. It is known as ciliated epithelium. So the function of ciliated epithelium is move the particles or mucus in a specific direction. Move the particlesலையோ அல்லது இந்த மியூக்கஸையோ என்ன செய்யும்? மூவ் பண்ணதுக்கு யூஸ் ஆகும். In that particular direction over the epithelium. எபித்தீலியத்துக்கு மேலே மூவ் பண்ணி சென்ட் பண்ணுறதுக்காக எது யூஸ் ஆகுது? இந்த ciliated epithelium. So it is occur in trachea of windpipe, trachea of windpipe and bronchioles of respiratory tract and also kidney tubules and also fallopian tubes of oviducts. Oviducts பார்த்தோம், columnar epithelium is present. Here that fallopian tubes of oviducts. Okay, amma? Fallopian tubes of the oviducts. ஓவத்தை கேரி பண்ணக்கூடிய அந்த செல்ஸ். ஓகே, ஓவத்தை கேரி பண்ணக்கூடிய அந்த செல்ஸ். இதில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா சிலியா இருக்குது, தென் பேசல் கிரானியூல், செல் மெம்பரைன், goblet cells, then nucleus. This is the basement membrane. This is the basement membrane. So at last we see that glandular epithelium. At last we see that glandular epithelium. So this glandular epithelium, this is the epithelial cell. It is modified to form a specialized gland. Okay, so this is the specialized modified this is the epithelial cells and are modified to form a specialized gland cells which secrete the chemical substance, which is secrete one of the chemical substance on the epithelial surface. Okay, so this lines gastric glands and pancreatic tubules and intestinal glands. இது எதுலையெல்லாம் இருக்கும் அப்படின்னு சொன்னால் லைனிங்காக gastric and also pancreatic and also intestinal. Okay, all this that inside of that animals. Okay, so இது எல்லாமே the tissue is present the internal full internal partல தான் என்ன செய்யுது? அக்யூர் ஆகுது. ஓகேம்மா?